Ah, 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 ah. Oh, 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 Now let's talk about the sixth page, the page 6 of the company financial accounting drafting or computation. Okay, the sixth page. Okay, number 6. Now A and B builders and contractors Nigeria Limited. Now this is the cash flow statement. Okay, cash flow statement for the year ended 31st May 2025. Now this assessment also cash flow from operating activities. Now that's the heading. Now 2025, 2024, 2020, 2023 naira under them. Now you have revenue as per account X, XXS, XXS, that's 2025. 2024 XX, XXS, XXS. Then 2023 X, XXS, XXS, Now the adjustment for non-cash items under, you write under and rule it. Then depreciation charges 2025 X, XXS, XXS, 2024 X, XXS, XXS, 23 X, XXS, XXS, then you rule it under. Now under now you come and you say cash flow operating activities. Now you have before working capital charges. 2025 you have 26, you have XX, XXS, XXS, then 2025 XSS, XS, XSS, XSS, then 2023 you have SSS, SS, SSS, SSS, then you have decrease in stock. You are adding all these things, so you add all these decrease in stock. Whatever I ask you to do them, because that's based on anyway. I will not tell you. Let me just decrease in stock. When you say decrease, it means you now you under it under 2025 you have X, bracket close and open. Bracket close and open, yeah, open and close. X, XXS, XXS, Now under that's 2025. 2024 X, XXS, XS, then 2023 you have X, XXS, SSS, Now all in bracket open and close. Now you have increase in debtors. Okay, you have XXS, XXX. That's under 2025. Then under 2024, you have XX, XXS, XXS, Then all under 2023, you have XS, XXS, XXS, all in bracket close, open and close. Now you come in increase in creditors. You have X, XXS, XXS, that's under 2025. Then under 2024, you have X, XXS, XXS, Then under 2023 you have XXS, XXS, That's rule it. That's all. Now you now net cash flow from operating activities will now be for what are the activities there will now be, that is you now activity you now have XX, that's 2025 XX, XSS, XSS, then 2024 XS, XSS, XSS, full stop. Then 2023 you have X, XSS, XSS, Now, cash flow for investing activities. Okay, investing activities. Now you have one. Under that you have purchases of fixed assets. You have under 2025 you have you have XXX, XXX. Then under 2024 you have XXX, XXX. Then under 2023 nothing showed there. Okay, point of fixed assets because that is the beginning of the year. You should know that. Now, the next one is capital work in progress addition. Okay, 2025 you have XX, XSS, XSS. Then 2024 you have XSS, XS, XSS, XSS, Then 2023 nothing there. That's the beginning of this thing. Now, beginning of the year, accountant will get the gist there. Now, the next is tax paid at source. 2025 it's XX, XXS, XXS, 2024 XS, XXX, XSS, then 2023 you have X, XXS, XSS, then now we give you the whole figure now. 2025 the total, what comes out now is X, XXS, XXS, full stop. Then the 2024 XX, XXS, XXS. Then the 2023 will give you X, XSS, XSS, Now you have the cash balance as at the beginning, okay, of the year. 2025 will give you will give you XXS, XXXS. Then 2024 will give you XSS, XSS. Then 2023 will give you XSS, XSS. Now you come cash balance as at the end of the year. Okay, you now have 2025 you have X, XSS, XSS. Then 2024 we have XS, XSS, XSS. Then 2023 we get X, XSS, XSS, Thank you very much. And that will be 60 years, okay, of the computation. Call me 08037581115 or 08055666041 for consultancy service to draft for a company or student who want to rub mind with me. Work on that. Thank you very much. You're welcome.